Hey, so good morning. Keto Granny. Getting ready to head over to the gym and start my workout for today. Get up. Get up. It's time to get up and go. Get up and go. Go to the gym. Go take a walk. Just get up and go. It's time to start your day. This is Keto Granny. I'm getting ready to head over to the gym to get my workout going for the day. Oil these bones and get going. I want to say getting up and starting your day with exercise is one of the best things to do, especially if you're elderly, Even if you're young, the best thing you can do is get up and start your day with a little bit of exercise. My grandmother used to get up every morning and exercise, and I would be there with her, and I would get up and exercise with her. It was some of the best times I had in my life as a child growing up. I get up early in the mornings and exercise with my grandmother. She would do stretching, she would do jumping jacks, she would do waist bends, and I really had a good time. And I remember that as a kid. The older I got, I think I quit exercising as much, and I suffered the consequences of that all through my life, just about. But this morning I'm headed over to the gym to exercise. Let's go. Get you some exercise. Exercise can make the difference for your day. I wake up in the morning and I have stiff bones. I do. I am so stiff. I feel like the Tin Man getting out of bed. Once I get dressed, I head over to the gym and work out for half an hour, at least half an hour, maybe 45 minutes. Sometimes I go an hour. But I head over to the gym and I work out and I feel so much better. And these old bones are oiled and they start working and moving and I can get my day going. So get up and get you some exercise. This is Keto Granny saying, let's go.
I don't know. Well, I look back, it's been 2 months since I've had a haircut.
Okay, this is Keto Granny and just finished my workout. I really do enjoy working out now in the mornings. I've gotten so used to it. So I get up and try to at least do this 4 to 5 times a week. And it helps me out a lot. Here are the machines that I use every day. I'll just show them to you. These are the stepping machines. And then they have all these other various machines. You start from number 1 and you work your way around. And number 1 is starting with your steps. And everybody, that's my workout. Get up and get you some exercise. Let's go. If I can do it, I know you can too. Okay, so I'm getting ready to eat my breakfast now. It's now 1:20, so I'm getting ready to have, let me show you what I'm gonna have. I'm getting ready to have the rest of my chicken fried steak, and I've got salad with a little bit of dressing, and then I've got some guacamole. I don't know if you can see that real good. I'll post a picture, but I'm getting ready to start eating this. So while I'm eating, I want to talk to you all about intermittent fasting and the keto diet. And I have some notes here that I'm going to use. So intermittent fasting is just an eating pattern. It's an eating pattern, a cycle between eating and fasting. The most popular one, I believe, is the 16 and 8. And all that means is that for 16 hours, you don't eat, and for 8 hours, you eat during that time. Presently, what I am doing today, I am doing 18 and 6. So that means for 18 hours, I will be fasting, and then for 6 hours, I will be eating my meals between that time. My eating window is from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m., and I adjust that out a little ways as much as I need to during the day. So right now, I'm having my first meal, and intermittent fasting, the reason I do it for more than 12 hours, because once you start intermittent fasting for 12 hours, after 12 hours, your glycogen stores are depleted and your body has no glycogen, and it will tap into your fuel source to burn. So that's why intermittent fasting works so good, because after fasting for 12 hours, you burn fat directly. So for 6 hours, I would be burning fat directly from my body. So let me say that again. Intermittent fasting, and I am doing 18 and 6. My eating hours are from 1 p.m. until approximately 7 p.m. and I adjust those up or down as I need, from 12:30 to 6:30, from 1:30 to 7:30, just as I need them to fit my schedule during the day. Intermittent fasting is a pattern of eating, a pattern of when you eat. If you're going to do intermittent fasting, I believe that it's best to fast for 16 and 8, 18 and 6, or 20 and 4. I say those patterns because anything after 12 hours, you're going to be burning direct fat, and that's just going to be gravy. Anything that you burn after that 12 hours of fasting, you're going to be burning fat directly. So I fast for 12 hours, and then after those 12 hours, my body taps into my glycogen store, and I burn fat for 6 hours. And that's keto diet is a diet that uses fat as its primary source of energy instead of glucose or instead of sugar. It means that you will burn fat directly without going through your glycogen levels first. That's possible because when you have low glycogen stores in your body will conserve that little bit of glycogen as much as possible, and it will switch over to the source of fuel, which is more abundant, which would be fat. Getting your body to switch over to burning fat, you have to lower your carbs. And to lower your carbs, you want to lower them when you're first starting out to below 20 net carbs per day. I say lower them as much as you can, or avoid carbs as much as possible altogether. That way you'll get into ketosis. Usually it takes anywhere from 2 to 3 days. It can take up to 2 to 3 weeks for some people to get into ketosis. But ketosis is just a state of, it's just a state that your body is in. It is not a food. It is a state of what your body is in. And when you burn fat for energy through ketosis, what you'll be burning as you'll be using ketones. Ketones are what your body uses for energy when glycogen is not available. So if you're not feeding your body glycogen, you're not going to have much glycogen in your body. And what your body is going to do is going to start burning ketones for fuel. And your body is going to go into a state, what is called ketosis. And that's all ketosis is. It is not a certain food that you eat or anything like that. Ketosis is just a state that your body goes into. And normally your body uses carbohydrates as the main source of fuel, but you want to change your diet and start consuming high amounts of fat, moderate protein, and little to no carbs. And then your body will switch from burning carbohydrates to burning fat as the main source of fuel, which is what you want to do on the keto diet. So if you combine the keto diet with intermittent fasting, it is going to work very, very good together. You're going to get rapid results, and you're going to be happy with your weight loss, which is what I did. And so far to date, I have lost over 110 pounds. I'm keeping my weight off. I have learned how to maintain, and I'm also helping people learn how to do keto, how to do the keto diet and intermittent fasting. I am a certified keto coach, and if you have any questions, just ask those questions below, and I will do my best to answer them. But I'm just gonna get to eating now. I've stood up here and talked so much I forgot all about my food. I probably have to go and heat it up. But combine the keto diet with intermittent fasting for rapid weight loss results, and you will be very, very happy and satisfied. If this video has helped you in any way, please subscribe, like, and share. It will help me out a great deal. Again, this is Keto Granny saying, let's keto on, let's keto on. All right, everyone, have a great day. And I'll be back to show you what I'm going to have for dinner. I'm getting ready to make some ribs. I went to the store and got that. So I'm fixing to do another meal prep for the rest of this week. And I'll post some of that also. Okay, this is Keto Granny saying, I will be back, and I will be making videos a lot more often. So just subscribe, like, and share. Thanks. Okay, so I finished everything. I finished my eating for today. Finished eating about 7:30ish. For the rest of the night, I will have my drink. So I'll have water, I'll have some tea. I'll drink things like that until it's time for bed. Probably have a little bit of broth. And then I'll start eating again tomorrow about 1 o'clock p.m. I want to say that intermittent fasting and the keto diet is a great way to lose weight. Combining the two will give you great rapid results. People think that keto means that it's a certain type of food, and it's not a certain type of food. Keto is short for ketosis, and it's simply a state that your body is in, and your body goes into ketosis when it is deprived of carbohydrates. Because you don't have carbohydrates in your body will start to produce what are called ketones, and your body will use this for fuel. So ketones are fat. Your body will be directly burning fat, and this is what you want your body to do. And once your body starts burning fat rapidly, then you will make lots of progress as far as losing weight.